Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Explore unparalleled comfort and style with Coverking Seat Covers. Unveil the perfect blend of protection and luxury as we dive into the world of premium automotive upholstery. Subscribe now for a seat upgrade like never before. Number 1. Coverking SPC 131-inch Seat Covers, the epitome of style and comfort. These covers redefine luxury for your car or truck interior. Crafted with precision, the attention to detail is awe-inspiring. The snug fit feels tailored, like a second skin for your seats. The durability is unmatched, standing up to daily wear and tear effortlessly. But it's not just about protection, it's a style statement. The design seamlessly blends sophistication and practicality. Every drive becomes a plush experience, making you forget you're in a vehicle. It's a mobile sanctuary. Elevate your driving game with Coverking SPC 131-inch, where luxury meets functionality. Number 2. Coverking CSC 2S1 TT 74 56-inch Seat Covers, a game-changer for car and truck enthusiasts. Crafted with precision, these covers boast a perfect fit, hugging every curve of your seats like a second skin. The durable yet plush material elevates comfort, turning your vehicle's interior into a luxurious oasis. The attention to detail is impeccable, ensuring easy installation without sacrificing style. Say goodbye to wear and tear worries. These covers are built to withstand the test of time. Upgrade your driving experience with Coverking, where sophistication meets durability, making every journey a stylish joyride. Number 3. Coverking SPC 152-inch Seat Covers, a game-changer for your ride. These seat covers redefine automotive luxury, seamlessly blending style with unmatched protection. Crafted with precision, they fit like a glove, transforming your car or truck's interior into a lavish haven. The attention to detail is phenomenal, from the exquisite stitching to the durable materials that resist wear and tear. Whether you're a daily commuter or an off-road enthusiast, these covers endure every adventure. Elevate your driving experience with the Coverking SPC 152-inch, where sophistication meets durability. Upgrade your ride, embrace the road in style. Number 4. Coverking CSC 2S1 TT 74 58-inch Seat Covers, a game-changer for car and truck interiors. Crafted with precision, these covers blend style and durability seamlessly. The snug fit feels tailor-made, transforming your seats into a sleek sanctuary. The attention to detail is impeccable, from stitching to material quality. The comfort level is unmatched, making every drive an indulgence. Installation is a breeze, adding a touch of luxury without the fuss. These seat covers aren't just an upgrade, they're a statement. Elevate your driving experience with Coverking, where sophistication meets functionality. Number 5. Coverking CSC 201 HD 74 22-inch Seat Covers redefine style and comfort for your ride. Crafted with precision and designed for perfection, these seat covers elevate the interior of your car or truck to a whole new level. The meticulous stitching and premium materials not only ensure durability but also make a bold statement. They snugly fit like a tailored suit, providing a luxurious feel while protecting your seats from wear and tear. Easy to install, these covers are a game-changer, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetics. Upgrade your driving experience with Coverking, where sophistication meets practicality. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for top-notch seat covers, Coverking takes the lead with its unbeatable quality and stylish designs. Elevate your driving experience with the perfect blend of comfort and aesthetics. Thanks for tuning in to discover the best in seat cover excellence. Hit the subscribe button for more automotive insights, and we'll catch you in the next video.